Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is my new favorite keyboard from Royal Kludge.
This is the R75 mechanical keyboard that is wired with a volume knob. I am so completely obsessed with this keyboard. I love all the RGB that it has, and I love that in the manual it tells you all of the buttons to push to do all of the backlight control, and that it also has a custom backlight setting as well. This keyboard is super comfortable with the 75% size, and I enjoy that it's wired, so you don't have to worry about making sure that your keyboard is charged all the time. And this is also hot swappable, so you can change out the switches yourself. It comes with the Silver Pro switches, and I absolutely love the sound of these switches. Just give them a listen. But if that is not the sound you're into, since it's hot swappable, you can put in whatever switches you want. I love the colorway of this with the blue and purple, and I really love the 75%. It is the smaller of these three that I have, and I think it works perfect for my desk setup since I don't have a ton of space where my monitor is at. I think it is the perfect newbie mechanical keyboard.
So if you're looking for a 75% keyboard, this is the perfect one for you, and that is my point of view.